Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable 4th of July centerpiece. What you will need, I have this adorable sign, it's so cute. I'm actually going to separate it a little bit later on in the video. This was purchased at Dollar Tree. I also have a smaller wreath ring. It comes 2 in a pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. I believe it's about 8 inches in diameter. I have red, white, and blue Deco mesh. And then I also have ribbon. I have 1.5 inch width and 5/8 inch width. The exact amount of Deco mesh you'll need depends on how poofy you want your centerpiece to be. I also have chenille stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. I will also be using the mini Bodapper bow maker. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut my Deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces, the red, white, and blue, 8-inch long pieces. I have also cut some of my ribbon. I decided to go with the thicker ribbon in 8-inch long pieces. I have cut my chenille stems in half, and what I'm going to do is take half of a chenille stem, place it in the center of my Bodapper, and I'm going to take a piece of Deco mesh. So there are 2 ways you can roll the Deco mesh. You can roll it in a cute little curl, just like that, and scrunch in the center, or you can roll it at a diagonal and scrunch in the center. Now the diagonal is going to give you a larger, poofier centerpiece, and it's going to be more like spiked, just like that. So whichever way you decide to roll it, scrunch it in the center and place it in the center of your Bodapper. And I'm going to repeat the same step with the red and also with the blue Deco mesh. And I'm going to alternate the colors. So I did white, red, and blue this time. The next time I may do like blue, white, and red. And I'm not going to add the ribbon to every single bundle. I'm going to add it to like every 2 bundles or so. But if you decide to add it to every single bundle, you can definitely do so. Once you have all of the mesh in place, you're going to use your wand to scrunch it all together, just like that. So cute. Take your chenille stem and crisscross it and pull it nice and tight. And then remove your bundle and make sure your stem is very, very tight and twist it a couple of times. Then I'm just adjusting it. It looks so cute and precious. We are going to make another one. It's going to be slightly different. Like I said, I like to alternate the order of the colors that I use. So this time I'm starting with red. And then I'm going to add white and then blue. I like mixing it up so that the centerpiece has different colors. It doesn't look like the same colors on the top around the entire centerpiece. But if you do want a specific color on top, then you can definitely do so. Keep in mind that whatever color you place first is going to be the color that's on top. And whatever you place last will be on the bottom. So I'm going to continue making my bundles. For the ribbon, I want to place it first so that it shows up at the top of my bundle. Fold it in half to find the center, scrunch, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. I'm placing the ribbon first so that it will be at the top of my bundle. Just keep that in mind. Whatever you place first is going to be at the top. Whatever you place last is going to be at the bottom of your bundle. Alright, so I have the ribbon in place, and now I'm just going to add the mesh and twist it all together. Alright, so I've made a few bundles. Now we're going to start placing them on our ring. So there are several ways you can place the bundles. You can go with the inner 2, outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, alternating the bundles all the way around the ring. Or you can place them all on the outer 2 if you want a wider centerpiece. If you want a smaller, tighter centerpiece, then you can place them all on the inside. I think the best that I prefer is to alternate inner, outer, inner, outer. It just looks so cute and precious, and it gives you a nice full centerpiece. So I place it on the outer 2 to start off. I'm going to twist the chenille stem a couple of times and then tuck it away. Just like that. And then I'm going to go with my next bundle. I'm going to place it on the inner 2 rings and repeat the same steps. Twist my chenille stems a couple of times and then tuck it away. And the next bundle is going to go on the outer 2, and I'm just going to alternate all the way around the ring. I'm going to get a few placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, this is what it's looking like so far. So cute and poofy. If you want to add more, you can definitely do so. So you can adjust and maneuver it as much as you need. It's going to be a little easier once you get more bundles in place. This is what the back looks like. I'm just alternating. Okay, we are all done. It looks so cute and poofy. So precious. Again, if you want to make it even poofier, you can definitely do so. I used 7 bundles in each of my 3 sections for a total of 21 bundles. And I have 3 pieces of deco mesh in each bundle. Now it's time to add my sign for the finishing touch. So I'm actually going to separate the sign. Just take it apart at the back. And I'm only going to use 2. I'm going to use the one that says Home of the Brave, and I'm going to use 4th of July. Now you can actually use all 3 if you put them together end to end and make kind of like a triangle. Alright, so I have 2 chenille stems. I'm going to twist them together to make one long chenille stem. Turn my signs over. And then I'm going to hot glue the chenille stem to the back of my sign and then hot glue the 2 signs together. Again, if you use all 3 signs, you will just hot glue the 3 together to form like a triangle. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I have the chenille stems hanging off the side of my sign. I'm just bending them a little bit. And then I'm going to place it in the center of my centerpiece. I'm pushing the mesh aside to find the actual wire ring. And I'm going to twist the chenille stem around the ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to repeat these steps with the other side. Again, pushing the mesh and it around the actual ring a couple of times. And then replacing the mesh so that the chenille stem is not visible. Again, you can add in whatever additional embellishments you like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to do. But it's a cute, precious centerpiece, perfect for parties, home decor, whatever you like. You can even make this candy jar. If you want to not have a sign in the center and put candy or even like toys, just be creative. So cute, precious, and inexpensive. This entire centerpiece can be made with items purchased at Dollar Tree for less than $10. That is awesome.